In this video, I will show you how to get Nessus activation code. Activation code means the license key for Nessus Essential. As we know and we discussed, Nessus Essential is free to use. However, only 16 IPs. So maybe in your lab you utilize 16 IPs, so you may need another activation code. So let me show you how you can get multiple activation code. You don't need to use your own email. If you want, you can use your Gmail account or Yahoo or whatever. However, there is a temporary mail. You can click on this link. Let's go to the temporary one, and this will provide you the temporary email. Okay, so here it will generate a temporary email. You can utilize that one, and let's go to the activation. To get the activation, so you need to go to tenable.com, product Nessus Essential, which is free to use. So click on this link. Either you can search in the Google to take you to the Nessus Essential. Here is require a name. You can give them any name. Suppose I say Ali and I say Khan. You can give them anything. It's require business email. So you can use this link which I mentioned. It will generate email. Let me copy this email. This is DIS something they generate in email. Go to here and type the email and get started. Okay, and when you get started, it will take you to the download page. Here is, and this way you can download the Nessus Essential. Click on the download. Okay, and here it's a for which operating system platform you want to download. For Windows. Okay, so we need for Windows as well. So here the 10.84 is the latest and updated. You just need to click to download and click agree, and here you can download the Nessus for Windows. However, we need the activation code. So when you go back to your temporary email, here you will get, yeah, it's downloaded. Click close. Here you get the email. When you click on that email, here is welcome to Nessus Essential, and here is your activation code for the Nessus Essential. I need this key especially. So let me copy and let's go to Notepad, and you just need to type somewhere this one. Okay, this we will need this key later on to activate our Nessus Essential, and also they give you the download Nessus again. Okay, but it's okay, no issue. Similarly, if you need another one, okay, another key, if you end with that one, and maybe 16 IP, yeah? So what you can do, you can create similarly a new email. Okay, you just need to, there is an option, I believe it should be here, not refresh, there is to create a new one, and there is a way. Let me see if we have, otherwise we can refresh. No, there is a way to create another email. I forgot, it should be mentioned here. Yeah, change email address, sorry, is here. So click on this one, so it will generate a new email, and this way you can get another key. Okay, so let's see if it can generate a new key so that I can, yeah, so now let's see, it's the same or different. Let me copy this one and go back again and give them any name. Suppose Ali whatever, and just paste the name. Yeah, so we use this, I believe. So let's generate a new one, and you can say change. It will give you change. Otherwise you can change the browser to give you another email, and this way you can get as many activation code for your lab. So it's give me the same. Okay, so what I can do, let me copy this link and let me open another browser and paste here. So here it will give you another email if the change doesn't work. Okay, so let's see, previously it will give us this one, DISIGI something, and let's see, now it's changed this time. So copy this one and let's go back and paste and do get started. Okay, and we are done. Let's see, it will take you to the download page. Click on the download. We don't need the download right now, we will need later on. For Windows we already download. Similarly for Linux, Ubuntu we will need, which is this one. We need for Ubuntu as well. You can download for Ubuntu this time. And let's go back to our activation code. sorry, where was, here is, let's go back, and here you will receive an email. Okay, and let's see, we did not get the email. Sorry, let me refresh. We should receive an email of the activation code. By the way, it will give you the same email, don't worry, it will generate, and you will get another yeah, it's here. And let's click on this email, open, and I have another key as well. So let me copy and let's go to Notepad, and now I have two different key to use in my lab. So this essential key will for 16 IPs. So similarly, this one for 16 IPs. So when you finish with 16 IPs, you can activate another license. It's so easy to change the license, and you will get another 16 IP, and those 16 is finished. So you can repeat the same process which I show you. So let me close this one. Let's close this browser. So this time I change the browser. Okay, and we will download this later on, but you can download as well for different operating system, for Linux, SUSE, and also Ubuntu. Okay, Mac OS, Windows. So we download for Windows, and also we need for Kali Linux as well. So Kali Linux should be there as well. This is for Red Hat. This is this one, yeah, Kali Linux. We will need this one as well to download, which I will show you in the next video. But this is the way to get the activation key for the Nessus Essential, which you can use in your lab, and these are the steps which you need to follow.